Yeah. The operation idiot.
Yeah. Alright guys, what's happened is, as you can see, that's the Toyota Prius. The catalytic converter has been stolen. They've chopped it off, and they do that in the space of 60 seconds. So you can see that clearly. That's the effect is going to happen. So all Toyota, if you own a Toyota Prius, be very, very careful, as that's the problem which is happening with the crime rate going up the roof. So I'm reporting here from Mac UK Ltd. that be very careful with the Toyota Priuses, as they can remove the cats within 60 seconds. I will upload a video later on to show you a demonstration of the effects of catalytic converter crime happening, which has also been reported by Birmingham Mail, and I'll put the links in below. You guys can check that out. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.